I'm fixing my future because someone has to. If you start my savings and investment plans with Old Mutual today, then my future will be smoother than Dad's head. So you get advice from the people at Old Mutual, and I'll get those gold stars to make you proud. Any questions?
Do future doctors pack their own lunches?
Start their journey by speaking to an Old Mutual financial advisor today. Invest in their future. Do great things every day.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times CEO Dozere Pyramids win the CAF Champions League. It means for the first time on their chest, they will have a star. Well done. Congratulations to North Africans for yet another star. It means another team from Egypt wins the CAF Champions League. It also means that maybe, if my mathematics is right, since 2016, Mamelodi Sundowns were the last southern or sub-Saharan team in Africa to win. The CAF Champions League belongs to the North. Every year, it's the North African teams that win it. Could have been Sundowns, but it wasn't to be. Who's to blame? Their coach, their players, or should we just say congratulations to Pyramids? Our analyst, Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Justice 5?
Pep.
Yes, sir.
Benedict Sofilagas.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethi kunjani keep on supporting Diski TV fighting one try to fix South African football. I think the problem of Mamelodi Sundowns in fit unkulega icalanga today. Yeah, for me it started in a quarter final. The way they play. I mean, if Beba did a VAR, I think they get away with that goal. The Pola lady, I think it was offside to Charlie the Who. I'm not too sure.
Esperance scored. Esperance Ukorile.
Yes, I'm saying. I mean to say Esperance scored. They say it's offside.
Yeah, quarterfinal.
When I double check, and then the semi-final, they scored their own goal.
Yeah.
They never couldn't buying. I mean, Batalitrola, they won 1-1. I mean, the way you're playing determine your future. Today, I think it was a battle of midfield. Again, I think Tora Blood Ture. Then when you say Ivory Coast, he won the battle between him and Mkwena. Mkwena did everything for himself. I think the guy. Yeah. Let us go to the game. Just starting a goalkeeper. They've got a very good goalkeeper. They've got, I think, 2 centre-back leader. They complement one another. The one is man-making. They cover each other very well. Very comfortable on the ball. They can start the ball at the back. They can defend. They've got this guy played Ture in the middle, which is a linking defense between attack. They've got Maela up front. Very dynamic. A very deadly striker. Look at the finish in Kulmanga first goal. Amagola abona Champions League Europe. Amachima semi-final. Most not even Kulmanga group stages. Amagola abona semi-final. Final. Well done to I think the coach. He played very well. Lengwenyele master tactics. Tactician yala zipola. Playing very well in the Sundowns. He never allows Sundowns to build up at the back from here at home. I think sometimes my teammates allow. The best way to defend is to play. I mean, to keep the ball. And this guy, what he did, when sometimes Azangi be comfortable, he played intensity high in Jengab. And we are born with to emphasize. It didn't start today. We ended in a Pirates here at home. He did it in a Pirates away. Yeah. He even won the game. He did with Sundowns away. La, Hell of Stars. I mean, technical, they are very good. Technical. So good. So many like technically good. It's surprising also. I love they playing on my wing. And the Sundowns came in and I'm slightly different between them and Sundowns but taking my full pack. I think that's where the problem started. Mina play me Umdibanga cross. Though I believe he could do better. But the guy on play my minilum chitalo ukekana.
He failed to clear the ball.
My brother just kicked the ball on the stand. Even in the Bizane, you can't play as if you are alone. There's 11, the best 11 in Africa as a continent today. 11v11, 22 players on the field. Just kick the ball and the stand. Our system must be a group. Okay, Mdiba supposed to press like foul at this guy or just let him find this guy throw in. He crossed the ball. Well done to the cross. Nobody cross now. Then when you shy cross, if we say idlalele cross, I idlala goalkeeper. We say like it's like penalty spot, and then Wapenika, Grant, good finish at least.
Yeah, top
well
class.
Done. But good finish, but the defender is supposed to do better. But Sundowns, ngikhala nge-midfield yabo. These guys, they were in the midfield, 3 of them. They playing at 3 midfielders, very dynamic, very skillful. Good balance, good 3 midfield. They play forward pass. They can combine. They can go and start and fetch the ball. Ba Avila, Kusantowns, Jaden Adams, Nkuluma Ngaino, Allende, Marcel Allende, both of them. Nkuluma first half overall performance yabo. It's only Mkwena. He can't be a defensive midfield, also an attacker. It was everywhere against 3 people. It was Mkwena against 3 people. Nkuluma first half, because now as much as Allende basic because of he passed sideways. It's like an angeka jump. Umkwena with defensive midfield yena adlala in front of him, going to fetch ball with defense. He had to run with the ball and then he pass sideways. In this guy, he must run with the ball. So it didn't make sense. Jaden Adams, I think, he was the weakest link. If there was a coach on our balls, and I'm sorry with him, I'm use this language, but true, Steve, Coach Steve, but Begmele, I question a coach by leaving Jaden Adams more than 30 minutes. I think, for me, tactical, I know good to kill a player, but now, as a guy,
it's a final.
It's a final. I mean, if you eliminate Chile at 30 minutes in final, I mean, your weakest link, there's no energy. Different player compared to Stellenbosch. Jaden Adams, Nyamazi, like he always look for a baller, he protect the ball, decision making, he play up front, Ucholagale boxing, Lama late run. In today's game, off. Lucas Ribeiro, you can't say he was off first half. Who was supplying the guy? Because they tell him to play up front, on the right hand side, cutting in. So he had to go there, runner all over. Now he looks like, I mean, so enough for me, he did everything. He is the guy, Ribeiro, I think, Sundowns, him and Mkwena. I will single them out. 2 of them, second half. A lot of energy. They brought another dimension. Ngobi coach, even I take 6 lanes, the sub lanes, I'm not too sure what he was trying to do.
It was already 1-0 down.
I mean, the same mistake that the guys did today, Ulung. Playing the ball and then run without the teammate being in charge of that ball. We had the same thing. And then Badlala Lasuga Koni was late. He fouled somebody else. It was a set-piece goal. It means the mistake, Leben Kulmangayla, it came in Esperance. It did exactly the same. I mean, Nentona Zam good development. In fact, when we pass, let's say we wing back, you can't pass someone to odlala la phakathi embizeni support and then angakafika ebolweni ibhola lingakafika kuye and then you go. Mabal receiver asikbalwini ama opponent ni tune out of position and then defender meditangalazi. Because that's what ile into yenzekile ube late. Baliphathile le bhola balidlala la buya khona waba late angeke travel ne bhola ngoba ifoul nakhona the way ba marking khona marking zonal. This guy ukorile they supposed to do better. Somebody was supposed to between Nkuluma Ngolibusa now Grant omunye bekumela mark lapha. Somebody supposed to go with this guy. If free header it was a goal. Munana and that I think the coach pretended team. I think players they pretend now they must be fair and honest to themselves. They did everything last 20 minutes but yeah. Last 20 minutes. But if you can be fair, overall, these guys, they dominate this game. Home, they dominated Sundowns. Away, Sundowns, I think the mistake they did by not winning here. And also, yes, Mina, for me, let him play. Salis, they came, West came. Because there's no creativity. Second half, Sundowns, it looked like a position, Babina, but they lack creativity. Yeah, Babina position, but always going on the left-hand side to go to long across. How many? Now, it's anybody's ball. The goalkeeper say thank you, and then Allah, delaying tactics. But these guys, well done for leaving my Lapa in the second half, could be a threat. Because every time he caught the ball, they go by 1v1, told to I win, I know down, Kulmanga second half. But it looked like this guy, anything could happen, any goal number 3. So well done to the guys. Elabe Pyramids, very good team. Very good assembled team, let me put it that way, because I'm going to single out the players. As a team, they play very well. They can defend technically very good. The coach is smart. Even Namasapo, very technically good as well. As a team, they play. They've got individual players. This guy Chore, Blood, and Ngunen number 11. He was not there. Even first leg and second, I'm not too sure. The Pirates can the playmaking, but there's a player who's playing on the left hand side. Very good player. And today, I think Utlalu number 10, not as a left hand side, number 10, the tall guy. Very good player mfethu. The guy I think he scored the second goal. A very smart player. Umuntu obabambela lona uyithinka yabe teamini yabo yabo. Abanayo usho ukuthi team yabo ingendlela eningi mfethu. They've got different type of players. And yam compliment to coach. Well done to him. And he deserve, I think. And sometimes, if we can be realistic, they don't deserve. Even me, Jobang Shila, I said it even yesterday, they're going to lose 2-1. 2-1 or 1-0. Because the way by figuring a corner final, questionable. Any in Tom Fetu. As a football in Gulego Fetu, all these things, when you watch PSG yesterday, Abu Enrique, I complained about Pep.
100% deserved.
You know why, my brother? I'm sorry about Kevin, maybe Bangang Kwatela, Kevin Hunt, Cody Negasin. I know he gave me the platform. Guma respect second chance. Thanks. He's got a grand. If football, all these people that are playing ugly, is going to kick them out.
Yeah, eventually.
The philosophy in Kulmange identity, Sundowns, slowly but surely. We didn't like building a
Yeah.
This guy is building something, believes something that Sundowns is building. They are no longer dangerous. Must commit varif. Because of players that survive. Sundowns, it's going to be difficult. The structure. In Zima, there's a structure that was built here. Long ago. But here's my it's going to be difficult. You understand? It's like Kupeti class so people build this structure. Hard, very difficult.
When you got there, they were number 13.
He built this structure.
They were number 13.
He signed type of players.
They were not winning the league. They had never won the Champions League by the time he got there.
And then he went there, won the Champions League.
Yeah.
And how he won the Champions League, very beautiful. And then he took out the best out of these players.
Yeah.
And then he brought Rulani Mkwena, like as a student. Rulani student, we are from this student, now, even better than you or more than you.
Yeah.
Or maybe similar like you, but still be students.
Maintain a level.
Yeah. When we figure maintain Rulani. Pizzo, who build this structure. I think Minang the national, let alone Sundown, they lost an icon by releasing that guy in fit. Because in terms of was born. Now they will go back, no man by ignore these guys, I would love to see these parameters against Roland Mkwene's team.
I would have loved that game.
Because one, you know,
open. If it was open for
both 5v5, Urlan because Shang one touch, two touch.
Yeah.
He prepared these players psychologically. Away, it's like they're playing home.
Yeah.
Each and every game he dominate. So I think Sundowns is a game they will go back. Even the president, Petrus Motsepe, has to invest in this game. But Petrus did this thing I am saying about Cardio, so bringing about Neskenzi, he brought about Michel, he brought about Toshkov. Sometimes they brought every big player. But the type of football they play,
they were not winning the league.
You understand? So I think they must bring back Roland Mkwen. I can't believe it. In fact, even Roland himself must humble himself. I mean, the fans, they can say whatever. Sundowns, they are better team in South Africa, Betway Premiership. True. But in this level, if they want to win the Champions League, Urulani won the Super League with best 8 teams, if not mistaken.
Yeah.
Top class teams, not just. And it took them goodbye, good club, World Cup. We need to be realistic.
Yeah, it's his qualification.
And the players, yes, he was a good player, but not this way. He took out the best out of Abum Liba. I mean, the list goes on. I saw so many players. So, I think they must go back to the drawing board. Let alone he lose. He lose, man. You can lose. In fact,
yeah, winning and losing doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's how you play. That's important.
We're talking about the technique. To be able to play away with that. We Al-Ahly dominate the game. Uzobambi with that, 5. Al-Ahly 5. I mean, the Amuntubambi Al-Ahly 5.
Yeah.
And it dominate them. So I think you want to South Africa.
Do you think the management of Sundowns is thinking along those lines? We need to get rid of the coach.
Yeah, I know what coach. If they were fair, I mean, to the Urulani is a black person, a South African. He was released. I know with Bam the chance for another season.
Yeah, he did stay maybe 2 or 3 years.
But
this one has been there for 6 months.
Yeah, you release.
Well, they're gonna say only after 6 months, Subuele go final.
After 4 games, this guy.
After 9 years.
Because I don't think we Betway Premiership after watching Sundowns.
They're gonna win in the Betway Premiership.
I know. They dominate until 24.
They're gonna continue winning.
But that's the HIV group. If Betway Premiership, they are a team that they don't have.
They are above the level of Betway Premiership.
Not only something to like. It's Sundowns there because of the type of players they've signed previously.
Yeah.
The structure they've created about Pizza, about Roland. That's why they're going to dominate for the next coming 4-5 years. Because players themselves, they can play without the coach. I mean, I coach at their team, we need to be realistic. Because the way they play, we are born about fun this thing. But you can see they are being told. I mean, the way I approach the game, I'm getting a first whistle, taking the ball center lately, even at home. My second ball counter attacks. I think the team has changed. My Saboni identity. So putting Uchemba Zwane, no man unfit. 90 minutes on the bench.
Because of time, let's wrap up the idea of the coach. What would you do? Once more, before we let you go, what would you do about the coach?
Yeah, I mean, for me, thank you, my brother, because they signed him because of Rulani against Zanganex. They signed him because of Champions League, if we can be realistic. Rulani did nothing.
Yeah.
So, Coach Nai, they must get rid of him. For me, I will go to Rulani and say, Nai, humble himself. I'm available because he's a free agent, after all. Sorry for all the mistake. When you go to Sundowns, leave this legend at Sundowns to work there. Orlando, the mistake for me, I think, is done. Just leave the legend that chairman brought there. And as is into just focus on your coaching, whatever, because you are so talented, which in us.
Yeah, for sure.
You not for let that access South Africa, South Africa. This guy is not only Sundowns benefiting, it's the whole nation. Speaker go AFCON because of Sundowns. Whether one way believe, I don't care anyway. We there because of Sundowns. And Rulani took out the best out of those players. Credit to Pizzo to bring that boy Rulani. I'm coolly some fun and I for him applying himself. And well done. So I think me and Joban Jobung I mean I was gonna get rid of him because they brought him because of Champions League. How much they spending Ababo Sales? How much they spend? We need to be Ababo Suarez now and Sales, how much they spend?
Yeah.
How much they spend? I mean, so they will go back and say, Coach, we brought you, we released the coach that won everything, even the Super Cup. Cup because of him. If it's facts, they're going to release him.
All right, we'll see. Many of those people in that boardroom will say 6 months, first final in 9 years, winning the league, and then there will be other Bazo Pigas, and I'm sure they're not all thinking the same thing. Those are in the camp, and I'm sure even the fans as well will say this, because the fans, they tend to really love those white coaches, European coaches. There will be maybe 70% fans will be, I mean, you could even ask Paris players about Jose Rivero. The fact that he only won 1 trophy and lost the league by 12 points, they will still say he's the coach of the season. So 80% of black South Africans, they always get behind the European coaches. So there will be a lot of Sundowns fans who will say, we want Cardoso because we were never in the final for 9 years. After 6 months, he did that and he won the league as well. Then it's up to the people, like I said with Chiefs, it's up to the management at Sundowns to determine whether or not this is the right man going forward. Look at the quarterfinal against Esperance, look at the semi-final against Al Ahly, and look at this final and ask yourself, is this the guy for you, the man who picks and chooses how to play based on competition? Do you want to look like that in the Champions League next year? It is Itiski Times was betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.